Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the weekday special. We've launched this special program today because of two interesting events that have happened, two interesting results. One of a newly merged company and one of a newly demerged company. Both can have a very significant effect on the movement of Nifty. So let us have a look at these today. First, the Nifty, which we had discussed in the morning. In the morning, we had said that the Nifty is likely to move from 19,700 to 19,800. It did exactly as we thought of. It came down, started off somewhere around 19,700, slowly moved up. The resistance zone that we had talked of, it tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times and thereafter failed and fell below the long-term trend line. But consolation is it's still above a shorter term. It's taken support at the shorter trend line. So where is Nifty likely to go? If it gets a push of good results, will it go above? And if it gets a push of bad results, are we taking a Nifty for a huge downfall? So the criticality of these results, and let us see how they have played out for us. So the first thing that we'll check out is Geo Financial Service is demerged from the Reliance Industries, listed in stock exchange on 21st August. It won't have a major effect on the Nifty, but yes, it would have a major effect on the sentiments. So when it listed, it planned to enter the consumer finance, the asset management and insurance and so on. And what it gave now were the first results of the company. And what did we find? The profits of the company have doubled, 101% profit. So how does it affect the stock price? Or how does it affect the technicals that we see? Well, there are very little technicals to go off with a newly evolved company or newly company which has just come into being. When it came into being, it started high and progressively fell. Massive fall, but then it had a massive recovery, again taking it to a new high. Thereafter, it has been a story of a slide. It is just being going down. Now, it is well down, but at this particular stage, it appears that it has broken its trend line, and it is taking support on this blue trend line, which is indicating a little upward move. Let us look at the other charts. By the way, this is a trading view chart of Geo Finance on 1 day. We'll go into a deeper details in a 60-minute chart. So this is a 60-minute chart. This is where we saw Geo falling down continuously. And here it tends to break the trend line. What is interesting is it goes up and it tests the trend line again and starts making a move. Important thing to note here is there is a divergence with RSI. Here the prices are falling, while the divergence is showing, while the Reliance is showing a divergence and increase. This indicates there is an upward movement, and that's exactly what happened here. It showed an upward movement. Thereafter, it came back and tested the trend line, and thereafter it's moved up. And look at the volumes with which it has gone up. There has been a major support in pushing it up where volume is concerned. So with these results coming in, would this get an additional boost? Would this be able to break this high level and go further up, creating a higher high? And if it does and breaks its retracement of 61.80 of Fibonacci scale, there is no stopping for it to reach up to 235 levels. I would now like you to do your analysis on the stock and see how it will play out once it comes out in open from tomorrow. Checking out on the HDFC Bank, this was the largest It is the largest private bank. HDFC and HDFC Bank merged and took the first spot on the weighted scale of Nifty, beating Reliance, pushing it down to number 2. So this merged entity has given its results, given a 50% profit. As per online data, this profit, which it is given out, is way above the street estimates. So if it is well above the street estimates, is it likely to push HDFC up? HDFC is currently 13% away from its 52-week high, and it is on a downward movement. Will it cause a change, and will it cause it to move upwards? Since it's such a huge entity, a weighted entity of the Nifty, will it cause the Nifty to move up? Will it cause the markets to drive upwards and move towards its 20K? Let's have a look at its chart. This is what HDFC has done. Again, on TradingView platform, a one-day chart of HDFC Bank. Till the time it was to merge, it was a continuous series of rise. And once it merged, it has been a continuous series of going down. It had attempted to go up once, but again failed. And this too has fallen beneath its long-term trend line. Here again, if you see, there is a divergence at this place, and thereafter the shares prices seem to be going upwards. So is HDFC now ready to zoom ahead with its results, being so positive for the markets? Now, if it moves ahead and goes above the trend line, results can even push it further up till it breaks the blue trend line that we can see. And once it is broken out, it will be a great thing for the Nifty, because HDFC forms a major component of the Nifty. So this brings us to the end of our discussion today. But here I want you to understand the importance of the HDFC results, being Nifty is critically placed. Nifty can go up or go down. And if these results swing the markets upwards, IT sector, after TCS and Infosys results, Infosys and TCS did fall, but the IT sector did still continue going up. And now Infosys also seems to be heading upwards. Therefore, now with the major components pushing the Nifty up, are we going to go upwards? You are well aware, every Monday we give out markets for the week. Every Friday we talk about a stock. This is a special week, a special weekday special. These weekday special happens for some important occurrences. I do forward my videos to people, but then it's not possible to forward them to all. So I would request you to click on the notification bell so that whenever such videos come in or whenever I launch my videos, you are made aware of the launch. So as I conclude, I want to reiterate that HDFC's results can have a huge implication on the markets. It's being better than the street estimate. Things seem to be going positive just now for the HDFC. Markets get affected by global things. As I speak to you just now at about 10:50 at night, the Dow Jones is up and is progressively inching up. So with the global market supporting, with the results supporting, are we looking at breaking the resistance zone that we have so far tested number of times and failed? Well, hoping for the best for tomorrow. All the best. Do good trade and make money. Bye.